Hello, in this video we will be discussing on human nutrition definition, classification, and principles. What is human nutrition? According to the Council on Food and Nutrition of the American Medical Association, human nutrition is the science of foods, the nutrients, and the substance therein, their action, interaction, and balance in relation to health and diseases. Nutrition science is the area of knowledge regarding the role of food in the maintenance of good health. Therefore, the nutrition is the study of food at work in our body. Nutrition. Nutrition is the provision of adequate energy and nutrients in the terms of amount, mix, and timeliness to the cells for them to perform their physiological functions of growth, reproduction, defense, and repair. It is also an interdisciplinary science focused on the study of foods, nutrients, the food constituents, and health. Public health nutrition. Public health nutrition deals with the promotion of good health, the maintenance of well-being or wellness, quality of life through the nutrition as the primary and secondary prevention of nutrition-related illnesses in the population. Public health nutrition has established itself as a major branch of nutrition which draws on the science of nutrition of epidemiology and public health to help deal at population level with major nutritional issues. Dietetics. According to the American Dietetic Association, dietetics is the integration and the application of principles derived from several disciplines including nutrition, biochemistry, physiology, food science and composition, management and food service, and the behavioral science and social science to achieve and optimize human health. Dietetic professionals translate the scientific evidence regarding human nutrition and they use that information to help shape the food intake or choices of the public. Diet. Diet is a pattern of food consumption which is followed by population or individual. The diets of populations are affected by the local factors including geography, climate, food availability, culture, and religion, whereas the diets of individuals within populations are further influenced by factors such as socioeconomic status, personal preference, and health considerations. Food is anything solid or liquid that has a chemical composition which enables the body, provides the body with energy to carry out several activities, provide material to allow grow, maintenance, repair, or reproduction to proceed, supply substances which normally regulate the production of energy and the process of growth, repair, or production. Nutrient is a fully characterized physical, chemical, physiological constituent of a diet, natural or designed, that serves as a significant energy-yielding substrate, or a precursor for the synthesis of macromolecules or other components needed for normal cell differentiation, growth, renewal, repair, defense, or maintenance, or required signaling molecule, cofactor determinant of normal molecular structure, function, and or promoter of cell and organ integrity. Types of nutrients. Essential nutrients are those substances absolutely necessary for growth, development, and maintenance and are not made in the body either at all or in sufficient quantity or to meet physiological needs. Non-essential nutrients are those substances that are either synthesized in the body in adequate quantity or not necessarily essential for growth, development, and maintenance. Conditionally indispensable nutrients are those that are required in a specific physiological state when the body can't synthesize in sufficient amount to meet the physiological needs. Nutrients are also classified as macronutrients, carbohydrate, protein, and lipids, and micronutrients include vitamins and minerals. Principles of nutrition. There are 10 principles of nutrition. 1. Food is a basic need of humans. 2. Food provides energy or calories, nutrients, and other substances needed for growth and health. Health problems related to nutrition originate within cells. 4. Poor nutrition can result from both inadequate and excessive levels of nutrient intake. Humans have adapted mechanisms for managing fluctuations in food intake. 6. Malnutrition can result from poor diets and from disease states, genetic factors, or combination of these causes. 7. Some groups of people are at higher risk of becoming inadequately nourished than others. 8. Poor nutrition can influence the development of 30 chronic diseases. 9. Adequacy, variety, and balance are key characteristics of healthy diet. 10. There are no good or bad foods.